Hello friends, I welcome you to episode number 16 of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak, I represent iFinStrats. Now today I have brought a stock which we are going to be analyzing in the next few minutes is again from the auto ancillaries bearings sector. The name of the stock is Timken India. Timken India is one good stock which I see has gained some momentum. In fact, the stock has been trading at 3,998 as of close of today, and the stock has gone up just in one day by 7.11%. Now, the stock is pretty interesting because it is showing up some momentum, some breakout from its current levels. Um, the stock today opened at about 3,699 and jumped up by 265 rupees, which is about 7.1%, and also made its all-time high of 4019.95 as of today. The stock is a fairly low beta stock. It's at about 0.31, and the market capitalization of the stock is sitting at about 30,000 crores. So, without wasting any time, let's see what is in store for us in Timken in the days and weeks to come. So, friends, we are here on the charts of Timken India. This is a monthly chart, and if I can show you certain things, Timken has given a resistance back in 2022 uh, at about 3,700 odd levels. Let me just have a quick check for you. Yeah, 3,758 levels, and that was its resistance point from November 2022. So it's been more than 1.5 years. Timken has been trading below these levels, and just in this month, rather, let me put it this way: today, Timken has broken its previous time resistance of 3758, and it has gone up and made up a high of 4019.95 as of the close of today. Now this brings us to a point that this stock is, I guess, gaining some kind of momentum here. And as it is, as I said, that the last 1 or 2 months, auto industry has been working fairly well, and therefore Timken is yet another stock from the same industry which is just trying to shoot up from where it was resisting all its time in the last 2 years. Let's break down the chart to the weekly levels and see if there is something we see specifically. Yeah, there we go. Okay, interesting. So if you see the weekly chart again, in the weekly chart, it has shown some bit of resistance back in 2022, went up again, went close to this, made another drop, and now it is trading well above 44 weighted moving average. And also, in fact, it has, as I said, closed above the previous all-time high or previous resistance put together that way at 3758, and it has crossed it over, and it is closed much above that. Now, if I drop this chart to the daily levels, okay, so there we go. We are looking at the chart at daily levels here, and let's see what do we see here in the charts in daily levels. Okay, so although I don't see it very many times, but there's a little bit of a crossover between the 200 EMA and the 44 weighted moving average, but doesn't mean much to me at the moment. However, the stock has been consistently making higher lows, and it is already in the territory of uh, all-time high. So I would wait to see if it makes a good amount of price action somewhere like that, and then probably it'd be good time to go ahead and pick up this stock. Uh, if I look at the stock from the point of view of some of our momentum indicators, let's see. Well, as expected, on the daily basis, Timken has crossed over RSI 60 few weeks back, and I think it is traversing well above RSI 60. From the ADX strength perspective, it is pretty strong. It is showing some good strength. From the broader index of Nifty 500, Timken is performing much better with respect to the relative strength of the 55 average. Then again, if I see the on balance volume, let's try to plot and see where is the on balance volume, what kind of, yeah. So I guess on balance volume is traversing over well over 50 moving average. It is showing again a higher trend, or is just kind of picking up some buying volumes, and here the price is also going up. So I think all in all, a good stock, yet another stock rather I would say, to keep in our watch list, and if it showcases some kind of price action in the days to come, we would definitely like to take a position in this stock. Now again, as always, I'm not going to be giving you any target, stop loss, and the buy price, because I'm not SEBI registered, and this is in no way a tip given to any of you. Please do your financial analysis, talk to your financial advisor, do the analysis of this script yourself, and see if you want to carry on with the position in this script in the next few days. Well, but all in all, a good high momentum script out of the auto ancillary sector is doing well. I have no second thought that Timken is going to show up some good up move in the next days to come or weeks to come. So I would just keep this stock in my watch list. If you like our work here, if you think that we are doing some valuable analysis for you all, I would request you to like us, subscribe us, and do comment on what you feel about these kind of analysis. So with that, I take your leave today. We'll be back again tomorrow with a new stock again. And till then, bye bye. We'll catch up tomorrow.